Hey everybody, Kevin here, 9 Foxtrot Radio. Today we're out at Illinois Beach State Park again. It is the second week in November here. Somehow it's still 70 degrees out and blue skies and sunny. We are at the south unit of the park here, getting ready to see if we can do a Parks on the Air activation. Got a different setup we're going to be trying today. We're going to be doing a little QRP. We have a KM4ACK end-fed half-wave that we put together. We also have the first run of our Elecraft KX2. We got some good trees behind us. We're going to try and hike our antenna up into the trees there and get on the air. Here we've got a much more compact station than normal. Got the GoPro case. I only have these big Bioenno batteries. This is a 15 amp hour. I'm gonna see if I can pick up a smaller one. 12 feet of RG58 BNC connectors on the end. We got our arborist line here with our weight. Toss our antenna up in the tree. Here's our KM4ACK end-fed half-wave that we put together. Got a 49:1 and this nice wire winder here. Some thin wire. Hopefully this works. We haven't had a chance to test it out yet. And then right in here, I had a WQ9F. Ended up doing a straight up trade for this KX2. Did a couple upgrades to it. We got the Windcamp sides on here with case. There we go. We got the nice, we upgraded the VFO knob here to an aluminum one. And we're going to try and get on the air now. See if we can get this antenna up in the tree. Fortunately, we're right next to the dump station for the RVs, but it seems to be okay. Alrighty, so after about a dozen tries, and you can see that wearing a hole in the skin on my finger from this throwing line, we finally got our end-fed half-wave up into that tree. Probably up about, I'd say the end's up probably 30 feet. Kind of hard to see. You can see the bag hanging there. But we got it just sloping down here to the picnic table. We're gonna go ahead and attach our coax, hook us up, run our coax here to the radio, plug it in, and we'll get going.
This is Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Oscar, Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Oscar, in Park Kilo 1932, calling CQ.
Park to Park, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
I believe I heard a Park to Park, Park to Park.
Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, QRP. I'm in Park Kilo 1000.
Kilo Quebec 9 Foxtrot, or excuse me, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot in Park Kilo 1000. Thank you. You are 5959 in the Park Kilo 1932.
Thank you for the 59. I've got you at a 5555 in Park Kilo 1000. Thanks for the Park to Park.
Kilo Quebec 9 Echo, stand by. Kilo Quebec 9 Echo. Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Again, please.
This is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. I am in Park Kilo 1000. Kilo 1000. You are 5555.
QSL the 55 in the Park Kilo 1000. Thank you for that. And did you receive my signal, your signal report of 59 in the Park Kilo 1932?
QSL on 5959. Thank you.
Mike in the Oscar, KM4ACK, calling CQ parts of the air, Park K1359, Pennsylvania. I'm calling CQ parts of the air. Anybody listening?
Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Park to Park.
Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, is that right?
QSL. I'm at Park Kilo 1000. Kilo 1000. You are 5757.
And that's a 57 here at Park K1359 in Pennsylvania. What's your state?
I am in Illinois.
Copy on that. Well, thanks for the Park to Park. I'll got up before and I'll try to make some headway with, but thanks for that. 73.
Thanks. Trying out got a end-fed half wave up in a tree and operating QRP 10 watts today. Thanks.
You're running QRP pretty good. I'm running 20 watts here. 20 watts. I don't have a very good antenna up there. It's only up about 15, 20 feet, but it seems to be working okay.
Yeah, sounds great. You're making the trip here. Real strong signal.
Thanks a lot. And 73.
73.
CQ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. K4ACK parks on the air.
Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Park to Park.
Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, is that correct?
QSL, Park to Park. I am at Park Kilo 1000. QRP here. You are 57.
Okay, you faded on me there. What was your park again?
Kilo 1000. Kilo 1000.
Alright, QSL K1000. I'm in Park K1043. K1043, Joe Wheeler State Park in Alabama.
QSL. Could I get your call one more time? Kilo 4 sounded like Lima Echo November.
That is correct. QSL K4LEN.
Perfect. Got you in the log. What was my signal report once more?
WQ9F, what was the last thing you said?
Can I get my signal report? I've got you at a 5.7.
Okay, I've got you about a 5 and 3 here in Alabama.
QSL, I'm operating 10 watts, QRP. Thanks for the Park to Park. 7.3.
No problem, 7-3, and good luck today. And wish you a fantastic afternoon. This is Kilo Zulu 3 Lima, parks in the air. Where's that? Kilo 4, Oscar Mike.
Park to Park.
Okay, Kilo November 4, please stand by. Park to Park, please go.
This is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot QRP at Park Kilo 1000.
Okay, and I have that, you said Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, is that correct?
QSL, I've got you at 5757, Park Kilo 1000.
Very good, and I got the Kilo 1000, and you are 57 as well here. Thanks for the call, and 73, good luck with your activation.
73, thank you.
All right.
CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air, Park Kilo 1000.
Kilo, Kilo 4, Oscar, Mike, Juliet. KK4, Oscar, Mike, Juliet.
Kilo 4, Oscar Mike Juliet. 5555 in Park Kilo 1000.
You are 5555 Kentucky, Kilo Yankees. QSL?
QSL 55 Kentucky, thank you. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air, Park Kilo 1000.
November 3, X-ray Lima Sierra.
November 3, X-ray Lima Sierra 57 in Park Kilo 1000.
Roger, Roger, 5454 Pennsylvania, Papa Alpha, QSL.
Thank you for the 54 Pennsylvania. I'm 10 watts QRP wire antenna.
Again.
Copy the 5454. I am 10 watts QRP. Thanks for the contact.
Roger, thank you, at 73.
73 QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot at Park Kilo 1000.
Victor Alpha 3, Kilo Oscar Fox.
Was it Victor Alpha 3 Kilo Oscar Foxtrot?
QSL 3, you got it right. Operator Rick, Romeo India Charlie Kilo, Oscar November on the province, 70 miles north of Toronto. Your signal report is 5454. 73, and thank you for the activation.
Copy the 54 north of Toronto. I am running 10 watts into an end-fed half wave about 10 miles south of Wisconsin. I am on Lake Michigan, QSL. Thanks for the contact, 73. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air at Park Kilo 1000.
Whiskey 3, Yankee November X-ray.
Whiskey 3, Yankee November X-ray. I've got you at a 57 here in Park Kilo 1000.
QSL, you're about to start the same, 5757 in Western Pennsylvania. Thanks a lot, thanks for activating.
Thank you, thanks for the contact, and 7-3 QRZ from Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. So we had a good day out here with the KX2 and the KM4ACK end-fed halfway. QRP is working a little bit harder. It's been a long time since I've worked QRP. Looks like we did put 26 stations in the log in about an hour, including we got 5 park-to-parks, so not too bad. My fingers are getting a little cold. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this out of the tree now. It's the first time using one of these. Go mend my rope burn, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This is Kevin, WQ9F, 9 Foxtrot Radio.